Welcome to Momedharam. In this video, we will see what is the difference between final, finally, and finalize in Java. This is one of the most important interview question in Java. They ask this question to confuse the candidate because they spell similar. That is only the similarity between them. They are totally different things conceptually. Now let us see one by one. Final. Final is a modifier applicable for classes, methods, and variables as unchangeable. That means if you declared a class as final, then child class creation is not possible. That means if we declared a class as final, then we cannot extend that class. If a method declared as final, then overriding of that method is not possible. If a variable declared as the final, then reassignment is not possible. That means we cannot reassign any value to that variable. Finally is a block which is used for exception handling along with try and catch blocks. Finally block is always executed whether exception is raised or not and raised exception is handled or not. Most of the time this block is used to close the resources like database connection, input output resources, etc. That is nothing but cleanup related activities we will do in the finally block. Finalize. Finalize is a method from the java.lang.object class. It is inherited to every class you created in Java. This method is called by the garbage collector thread before an object is removed from the memory. Finalize method is used to perform some cleanup operations on object before it is removed from the memory. The next is final block meant for cleanup activities related to try block, whereas finalize method is meant for cleanup activities related to the object. That means in the try block we use it to open some resources like file operations and scanner. Some of the classes we use it to open. So at the end of the program it is recommended to close those. That kind of things and all we will use in finally block. To maintain cleanup code, finally block is recommended over the finalize method because we cannot expect exact behavior of garbage collector. So if an interviewer asks what is the difference between final, finally and finalize, then if we are able to say these points, that will be sufficient. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.